Okay, hello. I'm going to try to explain a little bit about my project and how to run it and how to interact with it. So, this is more my final project on the Consensys Academy blockchain developer certificate. I've already got everything running. I'm re-recording this video because of some screen flickering, so I'm hoping that that is fixed. Uh, but the idea is on the README, so you have to run your Ganesh CLI and also compile and deploy the contracts to your local instance of Ganesh, and then just start the front end. In this case, it's a React front end, so it's very simple. And the project is a small proof of concept of something larger that I'm trying to build, and it is aimed to provide accountability to machine learning models. So right now, most of these machine models they just behave like black boxes, where you send some data and you get an output, and maybe you come later, and if you don't own the model or you don't keep track of the versioning of the model, then you can get a different result with the same input. So the idea is to have this versioning and have all of this history of your predictions on the blockchain. In this case, I'm just using TensorFlow.js with a pre-loaded model from Google. So this is the ImageNet model, and we are just going to record some predictions that this does on some random images. I've already used it a couple of times, so you can see that the number of times is being saved. All of this information is being read from the contract. If I want to save this prediction, I will get the notification from MetaMask, and if I confirm, uh, it is going to refresh and tell me what was the latest prediction. If I switch accounts, I get some different information based on the account that I'm running on. So you can see the account here on top with a small block key and some some options to copy the data. Uh, okay, let's try this one. So this is one type of dog. I get a notification and I sign the transaction. I pay a small fee for using the model. In the future, we might want to pay the users for training the models. So maybe in the future we want them to get some credit and they can later cash it out. So I'll try a couple of ones. So that was kind of a chihuahua, I guess. If I switch to the admin account, I have one extra option available here in the front end, and that is just cashing out. So I already did this once on this account. I will do it again, and as you can see, it happened once. It gets notified multiple times. This is a known issue with MetaMask, but that's the core of my project. So I am reading all this information from the contracts, and I'm also displaying things based on what's saved on the contract. Um, for the image hashes, right now it's just a MD5 hash of the image, but in the future we want this to also be IPFS hash, so we can just display the image as well here. So that's it for now. Thank you.